Most people will work for 40 years and still retire broke. Not because they didn't earn enough, but because of 5 silent money habits that quietly bled their wealth away. If you're between 18 and 30, you have the greatest advantage in the financial world: time. But misuse it, and you'll spend your best years chasing paychecks instead of building freedom. Welcome to Invest Pilot, where we help you make smarter money moves to live rich in both time and wealth. And today, I'm revealing the 5 money habits that are secretly keeping millions poor, maybe even you. Let's start with the most dangerous one. Habit N. Living like you're rich before you are new job. First raise? Boom. It's lifestyle upgrade season. But here's the catch. Every dollar you spend to look rich now is stealing from the wealth you could have built later. Ask yourself, would future you rather have a flex today or financial freedom at 35? Spoiler. That BMW you finance at 24 won't look as good when you're 34 and still paying it off with Uber Eats debt. Wealth isn't built with income, it's built with discipline. But even the disciplined get trapped if they fall into habit number 2. The habit 2, saving without a plan. Saving is smart, but saving without a purpose is just organized fear. You don't need 10 jars. You need just 3 buckets: emergency, investing, and guilt-free spending. The rest? It's just money sitting scared. Inflation is a thief. Every month, your money just chills in a savings account. It's quietly losing value. Quick check. Do you know how much your bank pays you in interest? If it starts with a 0, we have a problem. But even if you're saving and investing, habit 3 can pull you back into the cycle. Habit 3, confusing income with wealth. High income doesn't mean high net worth. I know millionaires who live like they're broke, and broke people who live like they're rich. Wealth is what you keep, not what you earn. If your income rises, but your spending does too, you're running on a treadmill. Fast, but going nowhere. You ever seen someone take a vacation with borrowed money? That's not a getaway. That's a financial horror movie in slow motion. And if you think working harder is the answer, habit 4 will surprise you. So to habit 4, trading time for money forever. Trading time for money is necessary. Staying in that trap forever? That's financial slavery with a polite name: employment. You need to plant income seeds that grow while you sleep. Side hustles, digital products, dividend stocks. Because time is your only non-renewable currency. Every day you delay building passive income is a day you're building someone else's dream instead of yours. Think you'll hustle your way to wealth forever? Ask your back at age 50. But even if you escape the 9-to-5 mindset, habit 5 is the anchor that drags people down silently. Habit 5, avoiding financial education. Here's the truth. Your bank balance is a reflection of your financial education. Not your job, not your luck, your knowledge. Most people spend more time picking a phone case than learning how money actually works. Imagine spending $80,000 on college, but not knowing how to file your own taxes. Oh wait, that's most people. Make it a goal to learn money like your life depends on it. Because it does. Read books. Watch channels like this. Apply faster than you consume. If you're under 30, you have the most valuable resource: time. The habits you build now determine if you'll chase money your whole life or have it chase you. Break these 5 habits, replace them with discipline, intention, and education, and watch your entire life transform, year by year, asset by asset. If you found value in this video, don't just scroll. Subscribe to Invest Pilot, because every week we drop real strategies to help you build true wealth and freedom. Comment below. Which one of these 5 habits are you breaking starting today? I'll personally read and respond to the first 50 comments. Until next time, keep navigating your wealth journey with clarity and confidence.